Hello everybody, my name is Gatis Kandis and today I will show you a very cool experiment. So I will take the selfie stick and I will put it inside the handle of a tripod, like so. And then I will take my phone and I will put it on the selfie stick, and then I will take water and I will pour it in the middle and I will spin the selfie stick around as fast as I can, so the phone will be recording all this in slow motion, and afterwards I will play back the recording and I think it will probably look pretty awesome. So without further ado, let me get started. So I've set it all up. As you can see, I attached the phone to the tripod with a selfie stick. It's ready to record. I also got the water, which I'm gonna pour down here in the middle, and I also attached the string here. I'm gonna hold it down with my foot like that, so as I'm spinning it around, so it does not move around. So without further ado, here I go. Okay, here I go, holding down the tripod with my foot. Gonna start spinning it around like that, and now I'm gonna pour the water right in the middle like this. Okay, my leg is getting wet. Gonna stop for a little bit. Just gonna check what I've been recording so far. As you saw from that recording, the sound was not there. I don't know why, so I restarted it. I think sound works now. And also the reason it becomes blurry when it's spinning around is because the centrifugal force is moving the lens inside the phone, so there is no way to focus it, unfortunately. So I will just do a couple more to record some better shots, and so here I go. Okay, the phone just flew away. That was unexpected. Okay, it fell out. And that's how you make a very cool experiment. Thank you very much for watching, and I will speak to you soon. Oh yeah, almost forgot. My girlfriend wanted me to tell you that I am not doing this to impress the girls. So I am not doing this to impress the girls. Thank you for watching. I speak to you soon.